learning Sir L. So here's our coding. So we download Notepad. So first we type doctype HTML, then HTML, open head, titled. So nilagay namin align centered, then closing tag titled, then closing head. Then next, body. Sa body, nilagay namin yung background. Nilagay namin sa align centered. Then, H1. Then, paragraph about us. Then, closing paragraph. Then, closing head 1. So, next paragraph, nilagay namin yung name namin. Then, closing paragraph. Then, H2, nilagay namin yung image. Yung height is 500. Then, closing H2. Then, paragraph ulit. Lagay namin, our friendship is all about laughter through hard and bad times. So, closing paragraph. Then, H3, nilagay namin yung image, height 500. Then, close H3. Then, paragraph. Yung details namin. Then, closing paragraph. Then, next, H4, nilagay namin yung video. Nilagay namin control para ma-control siya. Then, height 600. Then, closing H4. Then, next, paragraph, yung details. Then, closing paragraph. Next, H5 ulit, nilagay namin yung video, yung short video introduction. Nilagay namin controlled para ma-control siya. Then, height 600. Then, closing H5. So, next, paragraph ulit. Then, closing paragraph. Head 6, which is video na naman. So, control, height 600, closing H6. Then, paragraph ulit. Open paragraph, then close paragraph. Then, yun na, last is closing body na. Then, closing HTML. So, here's our output, Sir L. You put video and content.
Hi everyone, my name is Shannon Sabayag, 30 years old. Morning everyone, I am Ruby Andre Manalo. I'm 15 years old and I will live in Lanao, Zamboanga City. My hobbies is I love to
And that's all, sir. Thank you.